Hello everyone, we have to discuss about that GS पेपर 3 मेंस आंसर राइटिंग नवंबर 2023 की प्रिपरेशंस देख लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, mangrove initiatives for the shorelines habitat and the Tangibles income and M.I. Misty. Misty is the aimed at increasing the mangrove cover along the coastline and on the Saltpal and land in India. Discussed to 51 difficulty level, easy and reference insight. Yes, and by the questions. The question is part of the static syllabus of the General Study Paper 3 and mentioned as other part of the Mission 2024 and secure timetables. Key demands of the question to write about the condition to grow mangrove ecosystem threat faced by them and the Misty initiatives. Directive but discuss. This is an all the encompassing directive. You must debate on the paper by going through through details of the issue and concern by the examining each one of them, and you must give the reason for both and for against the argument. Structure of the answer and introduction. Begin the answers and begin the answer by the briefly writing about the mangroves and their the ecosystem body. First, write about the conditions that are required to grow and the sustain mangrove ecosystem and the importance. First line of defense and against the erosions and floods, and also the mention about the other logical benefits of mangrove as well as its the unique flora and fauna. And next, write about the various types of the naturals and anthropogenic and threats and faced by the mangroves and coastal development clearing for the agriculture excessives and cultures and salt productions and river changes, dams and irrigation and destructions and of the coral reefs and pollution and the climate changes, etc. and the site necessary example fact and the figures to the substantial your point. And next, write about the Misty and the initiative. It is the feature and how it will the protect the mangroves ecosystems. Conclude by the writing a way forward introduction. Mangrove are the characteristic in littorals and plants and information of tropical and subtropical shelters and coastline. They the exhibited and remarkable capability for salt water and tolerant strong winds and velocity varying. Types and high temperature FAO in 1952 and the Rhizophora and Eviscerias and the Bruguigeras and etc. And total cover of mangroves and in India is about the 4,975 square kilometer as per the state of the forest and reports and 2019 body. Ecological services by the mangroves and flood controls and groundwater refill and short line stabilities and the storm protection and sediments and the nutrient retentions and expert water purification reservoirs of biodiversity, cultures value and recreations and tourism, climate changes mitigations. Mitigation and adaptation and ecosystem needed to the sustain mangrove and mangrove forests are formed and when there is intertidal tidals and flow and the where the adequate sedimentary are available for the trees to set down fruit, and experts say the aquacultures and or the fisheries along the coastline obstructing and tidal flow is one of the biggest threat to the mangrove ecosystem in the Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest in the forest. Several instances of clearing mangrove on for the fisheries and have come to the light and along the country's coastline and land the declarations and for the agriculture, cultures and industrial activities and has the occurs in areas which are under the coastline regulation zone. Restorations of the land and allowing the intertidal flow is crucial for the plantation and survival of mangrove forest. Threat of the mangrove cover, man-made activities, irresponsible tourism. beings with them and garbage and sewage and noise, fumes, light and other the disturbance that can damage mangroves and its the biodiversity. Coastal development leading to increase and pollutant and conservation of mangrove covers and pollutions. Mangroves are being destroyed and facing savers and threat due to the urbanization, industrialization and discharge of domestic sewage, industrial effluences and pesticides. The repeat expansions of shrimp and aquacultures on India's flat coastal lands has been an important cause of conventions of mangroves in the Godavari deltas areas, and about the 14% of the aquaculture farms and has been the constructed on the mangrove land FAO. Nearly 40% of the mangrove forest in western coast of India and has been the covered into farmland and the using colonials and over the last 3 decades. Climate changes, increase in the sea levels and landing in the to the lending to the inundations of mangroves and decreasing nutrient from the freshwater. Mangroves are adapted to the specific tidal regimes and source line the erosion readings mangroves and cover the mangroves shows the zonations and his gates disturbances and cycles and storm cues and defoliations in mangrove leading to the mortality. Changing sea temperature disrupt and the mangrove station and ibis areas, sonatias and poisonous species and Rhizophora and Briguria. Role and significance of mangroves. Mangroves moderate monsoons and tidal flood and the reduce coastal inundations. It is prevent coastal soil erosion. It is supply and firewood medicals plant to local the inhabited, and they support the numerous floras and aviflora and wildlife. Mangroves support the sea sources and estuaries and fisheries. It is protected inland and agriculture land and the livestock and the coastal land and from the hurricanes and tsunami etc. Effect. Mangroves enhances natural recycle of nutrient. Mangrove are flood buffers and they also help in the starving and the climates by the moderating temperature, humidity, wind and even waves, and they are the natural carbon sinks. Scientific management of the mangrove. National wide mapping of the mangroves areas by the remote sensing techniques and couples with land and survey. The time series to the axis, the rate of the degradations of the ecosystem and quantitativeness survey of area and climate regime rate of the growth of forest and trees and the seasonal variations of environmental parameters. Inclusion of mangrove species under the thread in the IUCN International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List. An assessment of the suitables and sites for the reserve forest. Artificial regeneration through the mangroves and nurseries or the aerial seeds and joint the management of mangrove and with the local community participations. And diseases and pest control and crop the cut are the prevented by the preventing hypocotyle and in yellow or placing seedlings and inside the bamboo counters and afforestation of the degraded mangrove areas. Study of the management method, the ecosystem, the ecology of the mangrove and their flora and fauna and their microbiology and the biochemicals, chemistry of the organic matter and semiconductor. Sediment, misty, mangrove initiative for the shorelines and habitat and the tangible incomes initiative. The union budget for the 2023 and 24 and announced an initiative for the mangroves plantation along the coastlines and on the salt pan and islands and under the misty mangroves initiative for the shoreline habitat and the tangible incomes. The budgeted estate and there the misty will be the implemented and through the convergences and between the Manregas and Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Schemes and compulsory forestation funds and management and planning authority fund and others the sources. Organizations that have been involved in mangrove plantation and say that the initiative require internships, works with the local community. The survival rate of the mangrove seeds and plantation is 50% of the spellings is about the 60% and it's the takes 3 years and 4 other new plants to the subsidize the contact and based one times plantation under the Manregas and the Compass and may not work as a one unless the locals community take over ownerships of the forest and discharge of the untreated domestic and the industrial effluences into the rivers and the impede the natural intertidals and flows along the coastals and the mixing of the fresh waters and the saline waters which help in the guidance formations and of the mangrove forest. Conclusion with the threat and of the climate changes and the frequented tropical storms and looping large and planting more mangrove is a welcome development for India and which has a coastline of about the 7,500 kilometers. Enumerate the 5 nuclear elements of the Panchamitras and declared of the India's and climate action and what steps are the needed for the India's and to the achieve net zero and by the 2017 to 50 was difficulty level easy reference insight on ice by the question. The question is a part of the static syllabus of the general study paper 3 and mentioned as the part of the mission 2024 secures timetable. The key demand of the question and to write about the elements of the Panchamitras and declared and to suggested way for the India's and to achieving net zero emissions by the 2017 structure of the answer. Introduction beginning by the giving context regarding the India announcement aid the COP26 and aid the Glasgow body. First write the 5 elements of the Panchamitras and declaration. Next part suggested innovation measures that India can take to the cut down emissions and mainstreaming the solar harvesting, nuclear energy moving the towards EV and biofuels, carbon captures and storage, etc. Conclude by writing a way forward introduction. Net zero emission is the method of the balancing the greenhouse gas emission in the atmosphere by the greenhouse gas absorptions and from the atmosphere in zero carbon emission. The country will focus on the limiting carbon emissions and but in the net zero carbons and the country will focus on the bringing the net carbon emission to the zero. At the 26th conference of party COP26, India Prime Minister Narendra Modi declared the five-fold strategy terms as the Panchamitras and to achieve this the feat body Panchamitras strategy. The fold strategy include India will get its the non-fossil energy capacities to 500 gigawatts and GW by the 2013. India will meet and 50% of its the energy and requirement from the renewables energy by the 2013 and India will reduce the total projected carbon emission by the 1 billion ton from the now and onwards till 2030. By 2030, India will reduce the carbon intensity of its the economic by less than 45%. So by the year 2070 and India will achieve the target of the net zero. Background: India has the ratified pledge and made by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Glasgow and last November to the declare the India reliance on the renewable energy to power the economics and be the effectively and fossil fuels and free by the 2017 and however the approach and pledge and where the favors and then the those Mr. Modi and committed and to the Union Cabinet chaired by the Mr. Modi and on the Wednesday approved an update to India and nationally determined and contributed the NDC and which is the formal communication and to the United Nations spelling out step to the taken by the countries towards keeping global temperatures and from rising keywords and 2 degrees Celsius and the end of the country and measures needed to achieve a net zero emissions. Focus on the energies and efficiency will need the energy efficiency buildings, lightings, applications and industrials and practices and meet the net zero goal. Goal increase uses of the biofuels can help the reduce and emissions and from light commercial vehicles and tenders, and in the agriculture, in the aviations, the only practical solutions for the readings emission it is the greater use of the biofuels and the until until hydrogen technology and gain the skills and transports transition towards the electrical vehicles, and this will the furthers and the help curb and the carbon emission and carbon substitutions, carbon sequestration. uh, Carbon sequestrators, and India will have to the really and national and the man-made carbon scheme, carbon sink and to the shock and up thus the innovations and the trees and can the captures and the 0.9 billions and tons the country will need and carbon captures and technology to the ensures to the secures the rest and carbon pricings. India, which already taxes the coal and the petroleum fuels and should consider putting a tax on the emission to drive challenges and deploying the lower carbon energy, and there are the four and main types of the low carbon energy and bind the solar, hydro or the nuclear power. The first three are the renewables, and which is the means. There are the four main types, which means those are the good and for the environment as the natural resources and are used such as the wind and or the sun to the produce electricity. Deploying lower carbon energy and would help the address and both the domestic and the international climate challenges. And while the stability and improving the economically well-being of India's citizens and mainstreaming the renewables energy, and India energy mixed is dominated by the coal-powered and electrical generation stations as of now. The need of the hours is the increase and the share of the renewables energy in this the energy mix. Way forward and for the India giving the massive shift and underway in India's and energy systems, and we should be would and benefits from the taking stock of our the actions and focusing on the near terms transitions, and this will allow us to the meet and even over the comply and with our the 2030 targeted, while also the ensuring and concomitant and developmental benefits such as the developing other brilliant the vibrant renewable industries, and we can start putting in place and the policies and institution necessary to move us in the right and direction for the longest terms, and also the better understand and through modelings and the other studies the implications of net zero and scenarios, and before making other net zero plugs, and it would also be in India and the interested to link any the futures and plug into the achievement of the near terms action by the industrializations countries, and that would be the fairs and consistencies and with the principle of UNFCCC, and also the enhances the feasibilities of the our Among the actions and thorough, for the example, increasing the availability and reducing cost of the new mitigations technologies. Conclusion: India has made strong. India has made strong progress and on its the climate and commitment and remains the key international stakeholders and when it's the come to increase the ambitions and charting the low carbon futures. India has other pivotal and role in the future greenhouses gas mitigations and at the same time has the massive climates and adaptations need with the millions already suffering and due to the extreme heat and drought and floods and with the most of the country and infrastructure and still being built and the energy supply of the futures and it to be installed and India has the opportunity to establish a low carbon development and paradigms and for the rest of the developing world. The National Action Plan on Climate Changes and NAPCC and outline. The National Action Plan on the Climate Changes and NAPCC and outlines India's strategy to address the challenges and posed by the climate changes, elucidates and 250 was difficulties level moderate. Reference India on inside on India by the questions. The question is a part of the static syllabus of the general studies paper 3 and the mention as a part of mission 2024 secures timetable and key demands of the question and to write about the National Action Plan on Climate Changes NAPP potential to achieve sustainable and development elucidates give other detail. Elucide give other detailed account as to the how and why it is the occurs or what is the contact and you must be the defined and key terms whenever and appropriated and substantial and with the relevant and the associated fact structures of the answers. Introduction begin by the mentioned and the aims and the objective of the climate changes and body write about the 8 parts of the NAPCC. There are the aim and to the insurance and both the development and combat climate crisis and the cities side examples and to the substantial the point as to the high and they the achievement converges and hence the national solar mission is aimed at achieving the energy and security as well as the clean energy. Next write about the limitations of the above to tackle the climate changes and conclude by the writing other way forward the national action plans on the climate changes. The National Action Plan on the Climate Changes was the formally launched the June 30 and 2000 and the NAPCC identified and missions that the promotes development objectives while also yielding to the benefits for the addressing climate changes efficiency and there are the 8 national missions and which forms the core of the action plan and they the focus on the promoting the understandings of the climate changes and adaptation and the mitigation energy efficiency and the natural resources conservations body. The 8 emissions are the National Solar Mission, National Mission for the Enhanced Energy and National Mission on the Sustainable Habitat, National Water Missions, National Mission for the Sustaining the Himalayas Ecosystem, National Mission for other Green India, National Mission for the Sustainable Agriculture, National Mission on the Strategic Knowledge of Climate Changes. National Solar Mission. The object of the mission is to be the increase the share of the solar energy and to the total energy fixed of the fix of the country, and while also expanding the scope of the others renewable sources. India National Mission for the enhances energy efficiency, mandating the species energy consumptions and decrease in the large energy consumption industry, and creating other framework to the certified excess energy savings along the market, and based on the mechanism to trade the saving innovatives and measures to make the energy and efficiency appliances product in the certain sectors for the affordable, and national mission on the sustainable habit. The aim of the mission is to be the make habitat and more the sustainable through other threefold and approach, and that the include and improvement in energy efficiency of building in the residential commercial sectors, and management of the municipals and solid waste and MSW, and promotes the urban public transports, and the national water missions. The national water mission aimed to the converting and water minimizing wastage, and the ensuring more and equitable distributions through the integrated and water resources management. The water mission will develop other framework and to the increase the water use efficiency by the 20%. It is calls for the strategic and four tackles. Strategies to tackle the variabilities in the rainfall and the rivers flow, and such as the enhancing and surface and the underground water storage, and water and rainwater harvesting, and the more efficiency irrigation system like the sprinkles or the drip irrigations. National Mission for the Sustaining and the Himalayas ecosystems and the plants cells calls and for the empowering local communities, especially in panchayata, and to play a greater role in managing ecological resources. It is also reforms and the following measures mentioned in the National Environment Policy 2006. National Mission for the Green India. The mission aimed at enhancing ecosystem services such as the carbon sinks, and it built on the Prime Minister's Green India composition for afforestation of 6 billion hectares, and the national targets of the increasing land areas under the forest cover from the 23 to the 33. It is to be the implemented on the degraded forest and land through joint forest management committees set up the under the state department of forest. Thus communities and will promote the direct action by the communities. National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture. The aims is to the make India and agriculture. The aims is to the make India agriculture and more the resiliences. More the resiliences into the climate changes by the identified and new varieties of the crops, and especially the thermal resistance one and the alternatives and cropping patterns, and this is to be the supported and by the integrations of the traditional knowledge and practices system, information technology and biotechnology, as well as the new credits and the insurance mechanism. And national mission on strategics knowledge for the climate changes. The mission strive and to work and with the global community in the research and technology and development and collaborations through other variety of mechanism, and in the addition and will also have its own the research and agenda supported by other network of dedicated climate changes related to the institutions and the universities, and the climate research fund. The mission will also the encourages and private sector initiative for the developing innovation technologies and for adaptation and the mitigations. Limitation of the above to tackle the climate changes. The plan reports and makes know the commitment to cut the country and the carbon emission, and which is the should have been and the integral part of it and the focal point of NAPCC. PCC seems to be the solar power missions and only the government effort to the maximizing the solar energy. The solar energy and seemingly approved it and the mission related to sustainables and the habitat water and the agriculture and forestry all the multi-sectorals and the overlapping multi-departmental and adversaries and very slow movings in the natures, and several ongoing the activities are in the principal alliances and with the objectives of thus the missions and with which should either and be the integrated and with the missions or scrapped to save the time and cost and another challenges in the monitoring system and which are the either ineffective or absent progress report for the NSM and the NM. Triple E and NWM and are the currently available, but the mapping of the progress for the other missions and has been the difficult due to the cross-cutting natures. The cross-cuttings are subjected of the missions and have not yielding any the positives result on the ground, and it show the new approach is the needed and to the solve this and the bringings the agendas of the climate changes and to the mainstreams. Conclusion by the releasing the NAPCC and the Indian government has shown it is the commitment to address climate and changes issue and also the send other positions message to the public and public industries and civil society about the government concerned to address the climate changes and issues through the concerted action issues related and to the awareness regarding and the global and warmings and the climate changes among the general populations and the issues related to the agricultural and health hazard and due to the climate changes and must be the address and strongly and effectively. The Environment Protection Act 1986 and remain and the important piece of the legislations in the India environment regulatory frameworks and the continuous effort and are needed to the ensures it is effective implementation and enforcement. Discussed to 50 words difficulties level models and reference and the wikipedia's dot organization and by the question is part of the static syllabus and of the general studies paper 3 and the mention as the part of the mission in 2024 and secures timetables. The key demand of the question and to write about the provision of the Environmental Protection Act, it is strength and the limitations and directive but discuss and this is and the all other impassing directive, and you must the debate on the paper by going and through the details of the issues and concern by the examining each one of them, and you must give reasons reasons for the both and for and the against the argument structure of the answer. Introduction begins the answer and by the writings and about the objectives of the Environmental Protection Act body. Conclusion include the way forward and introduction. Environmental Protection Act EPA and was the enabled to in the 1986 and with the objective of the providings and the protection and the environmental of the environments and the act and is the largely regarded and as the response to the Bhopal gas tragedy, and the act was enacted by the government of India in according and with the articles and 253 and of the Indian Constitution, and which is the authorizes the Union government to establish legislative to give effect and to the foreign agreement made by the country body. Major features of the EPA: the central government is also the empowered and to the plan and executed either national wide programs and for the preventions and control and the abatement of the environmental pollutions. Lay down standard and for the emissions and or the discharges of the environmental pollutant and from various sources, the restrictions and of the areas in which any the industrial operations and or the process or the class of industries and operations and or the programs and shall not be the carried and out the subject to certain the safeguard. The central government may appointed officer under this the act and for the various purposes and interested and them and with the correspondence power and fundings. and function. The central government as per the act and has the power and to the direct the closures and prohibitions or regulations of any the industries operation or process, the stoppage and or the regulations and of the supply of the electricity or water or any the other services, restriction of the pollutant and discharge and compliant with the procedures, safeguard and the power of entry and inspections, established of the environmental laboratory and appointment of the government analysis and the penalties for offense by the companies and offense by the government department and cognize of the offense and the strength of the act. Limitations. हाँ
तुम्हारे फोन पे पैसे करवाते हैं आगे
करवाता है, कब करवाए थे?
रात को ही करवाए थे, तुम देखना।
रात को कितनी बजे? Major feature of the EPN, the central government is also the empowered and to the plan and the execute other nationwide program and for the preventions, controls and the abatement of the environment pollution and lay down and standard and for the quality of environment and its the various aspects and lay down the standard for the emission and or the discharge of environmental and pollutant and from the various sources, the restriction of the area in which any the distant industries and operation or the process and or the class of the industries and operation or the process and shall not be the carried out the subjected to certain the safeguard. The central government may appointed the offer under this the act and for the various purposes and the unthrust and them will the correspondence power and function. The central government as per the act and has the power and to the direct the closures and prohibitions or the regulations of any the industries and operation or the process, the stoppage and or the regulation of the supply of the electricity or water or any the other services, restriction or pollutant on pollutant discharge and no the individuals or the organization shall the discharges emits and or the permits to the discharge and emits any environmental pollutant and in the excess of the prescribes and standard and compliances and with the procedurals and safeguards and no individuals and sell the handles or the sale be the accused and to the handles any the hazardous substance exceptions in the accordance and with the process and the without the applying and with the safeguard and as the prescribed and the powers of the entry and inspections any the person and empowered and by the central government and shall have other right to the right to enters and with the AC tenses and deemed and necessary at any places for the inspections and of the compliances of any orders and notification and the direction given under the act for the purpose of the examinings and land examining and if the required and saging any the requirement and the industrial plants and record and registered and documents or any the others materials object and may the furnish evidences of the commissions of and the offense and punishables and under this the act established of the environmentals and laboratory. The central government as per the act and is the entitled to the established environmentals and laboratories recognition any laboratories or institute as the environmental laboratories to carry out functions and the entrusted to the such other laboratories and central government is also the entitled to make rules on the specifying and the function of the environmental laboratories appointed of the government and analyzed. The government analyst is appointed by the central government for the analyzing the samples of airs and waters and soil or the other substance sent to the recognized environmental laboratory and penalties for the offenses non-compliance or the contraventions to the any of the provisions of the act and is the considered as an the offense. Any offense and under the EPA and are the punishable and with the imprisonment of up to 5 years and or other fine up to 1 lakh rupees and or the both offences by the companies, and if and the offences under this act is committed and by other company and every person directly in charge of the countries and at the times and of the commitment of offense is the deemed and to be the guilty unless and proven and otherwise the offenses and by the government departments, and if and the offense and under this and act has been the committed by any the department of government and he the head of the department and HOD and shall be the deemed and to be the guilty and of the offense and unless the proven otherwise any officer other than the HOD, and if the proven and guilty and shall also be the liable and to be the proceeded and against and the punishables and accordingly. Cognizance of friends and know the court and shall take the cognizance of any the offense under this act and expected on other complaint made by the central government or any the authority on behalf of the former. A person who has the approached the court after the 60 days and noticed has been the furnished and to the central government of authority on its the behalf. Strength of the act. It empowered the central government to and establish the authorities and charges with the mandate of the preventing environmental pollution in all the its the forms and to the tackles specifies and environmental problems and the peculiar and to the different parts of the country, and the central government shall have the power to take all the such and measures as its the deems and necessary or the expediented for the purpose of the protecting and the improving the quality of the environmental and coordinations and with the state governments. The action is one of the most and comprehensive the legislations and with the pretext and to the protect and the important of the environment. Limitation. While the central is giving the board and power, the states and government are the giving nor and the formers prone to the arbitrariness and abuse. The act likewise the makes and no the mentions of the public participations in the environmental protections. Citizen must be the involved in the environmentals and preservations to the counteract and the attributariness and promotes understanding and the empathy on for the environment. The act does not address and current the concept of populations and such as the noise and overcrowded and transportation system and radiations, waves all of which and the contributed and to the deteriorations of the environment. Conclusion. EPA was the enacted and with the primarily purposes of the conserving and the enhancing the environments and associated and issues, and it is the empowered and the central governments to make all the necessary efforts to avoid and the control pollutions and as well as to the contract and effective and machinery to protect, improve and regulated environmental pollution. Green growth is not an the options and it is the necessary for India and biological wealth, and explain the statement in the context of measures and taken in this year budget time. Difficulty level easy by the question. The question is a part of the static syllabus of the general study paper 3 and mentioned as part of the mission 2024 secure timetable directive words and explain the clarified the topic and by the giving other detailed account as to the how and why it is the occurs and or what it the contact, what is the contacts, and you must define key demands, key terms and whenever and appropriated and substantiate them and with the relevant and associated fact. Key demand of the question to explain the measures and taken in this the years and budgets and for the green growth in India and structures of the answer. The introduction. Begin your answers and by the explaining what is green growth and body. So how the green growth is other necessary for the India's and next write briefly about the measures and taken by taken by India until now the next right measures and proposed and in this years and budgets and the measures taken in the recent budget and to promote green growth and green growth is one of the 7 priorities of the Saptarishis and to the guide India into the Amrit Kal. The national mission for the green India's aim to the increase and forest cover on the degradable land and protect exciting forest land and the green credit programs has the objectives to the incentives and environmentally sustained and responsive actions by the companies and individuals and local bodies. The mangrove the green credit programs the green credit program has the objectives and to the incentives and the environmentally and sustained and the responsible by उठा दिए responsible action by the companies, individuals and local bodies and the mangroves initiatives and for the shorelines and habitat and tangible income and Misty is the particularly significant because of the extraordinary importance of the mangrove and coastal ecosystem in the mitigating climate changes. Green power the budget and for the ministry of the new and renewables and energies and has also decreased this years and by the more than and the 3,000 crores and Amit Dharohar schemes and write brief about other few issues conclusion suggested. Suggested and right but more need and to be do introduction. Oh wow यार so 160 कार हाँ 160 नहीं खड़ी हो रही तुम्हारी देना से भी इस तरह हट जाओ Introduction green growth and refers to and the economically growth and plan and that the places are the significant emphasis on the sustainable and development and while the minimizing and harmful the environmental effect in other the birds growth and the means and the forestering economic growth and the development whilst and insurance and that the natural asset and continues and to the profit provide the resources and the environmental services on what and which our the well-beings and release out of 180 and countries and India was the placed at the 169 and of the environment and the performance index of 2022 and ranking and where the determined and by the factor by the life management and air the quality and biodiversity and habitat fisheries ecosystem services and climate changes and India is the 5th largest economic in the world and although in its performed and boards and then the many other smaller and ecosystem economics and on the ranking body important of the green growth. It is provided other practices on the flexible approach and for the achievements and the concentrated measures. Measures progress and approach. Progress axis and its economics and environmental pillars and while taking full account full accounts and of the socials and the consequences of the greening and the growth dynamic of the economics and the focus of the green growth and the statistics is insets. Therefore, economically potentially on other substantial basis and enhancing the productivity by the creating incentives for greater efficiency in the use of the natural resources and reducing the waste and the energy consumptions, unlocking opportunity for the innovation and values creations and allocating the resources of the to the highest value use and the boosting investors and confidences and through greater and the crazy predictability and in how the government and deal and with the measures and environmental issues, opening up new market and by the stimulating and demands and for the green goods and services and technologies, contributing and to the fiscal and the consolidations and by the mobilizing revenue through green and taxes and the eliminations and of the environmentally harmful substances. Thus, measures can also help to the generated or the green of the free up and the resources and for the anti-poverty program in such areas and as the water and supply and the sanitation or the other pro-poor investment, reducing risk of the negative shocks and to the growth and due to the resources bottlenecks and as well as the damaging and potential irreversible and environmental impact. Initiative for the green growth of India. National Green and the Hydrogen Mission, a budget of the race 19,700 crore has been and set aside and for the National Green Hydrogen Mission in order to the support the transmission of the ecosystem, economics and to the low carbon intensities. Nation reliance on the fossil fuel imports and the enables the nation to the assumes technological and market leadership in this the emerging industries by the 2030. A production of the 5 MMT and per year is the goal. Govardhan schemes and 500 new wastes to the wealth and plant 200 comprise and biogas and CBG and plants and the 300 community clusters and base the plants and will be the built as the part of the Govardhan's and schemes and to support the circulars and economics and 10,000 crores and where the invested in total in the due cases and the 5% CBG and mandatory will be the introduced for all the organization marketed naturals and biogas. Bharatiya Prakritik and Beti Bao Inputs and Resources Center over the course of the next 3 years and the center will help 1 crore farmers and transitions to the naturals and farmings by the investing stabilizing and the 10,000 bio inputs and the resources centers. The Misty Mangrove and the initiative for the shoreline habitat and the tangible income and which will be the run and by the combining resources from the Manregas, IGAS and Kampa fund and other the sources and will the reutilize and mangrove protection. Misty and will help the mangroves plannings and on the Sal Punch areas and along India's and coastline and PM Pranav and Prime Minister programs and for restorations and awareness nourishments and the ameliorations and of the Mother Earth and through this the programs and state and the union territories will be the encourages and to promote the balances use of the chemical fertilizer as well as the alternative fertilizer. Amit Dharohar unit budget for the 20 and 2013 and 2040 announced the Amit Dharohar programs a the central government initiatives to protect the wetlanded over the following 3 years. Amrit Dharohar and will be the put into the practices to promote the best possible use of wetlanded and improve the biodiversity, carbon stock and ecotourism and prospected and the revenues production for the nearly for the nearby community and other the investment and in the green energy and rate 35,000 crores and for the productivity and capital investment and towards the energy and transmissions and net zero and objectives and with the basically and the lead and to cutting greenhouse gas emissions and the objects and from the atmospheres and by the oceans and the forest and for the instant and as well as the energy security ministry of the petroleum and natural gas. Battery energy storage and system and with other 4000 MWh and the capabilities will receive the viability and gas fundings and that is the designated and to the provide capitals and supported to the PPP public private partnerships and project and the which would not and otherwise be the financial valuables 20,700 crores and central support 8,300 crores and for the interstate transmissions and system and for the evacuations and the grid integrations of the 13 GW the renewable energy and from the Ladakh and systems and for the equations and grid integrations of the 13 GB and renewable energy from the Ladakh. Challenges: hug amount of finance and investment is needed to the switch to the green growth and without strong and the global leaderships and comprehensions and plannings it is the becomes difficult to transitions and to the green economics. Increased poverty can lead to the over exploitation and natural resources and hindrance the programs.